All right, Tim is here now with a look at the forecast and the tropics as well.
Yeah, it's very hot and humid out there again today, guys. 90's been out there every afternoon so far in July, and we're going to do it again for another couple of days. Highs yesterday, 91 degrees, going for a high a little bit hotter today, up to around 94. Our tally now up to 23 days on the year. Only 20 behind the total for all of last year, so very hot June, and so far July is matching it. We're already at 79 in Norfolk, 79 down to Currituck, 77 Newport News, Smithfield at 75, you get out to the beach at 77, 79 in Williamsburg, 76 in Wachapreague, and 79 also in Elizabeth City. Dew points up there past 70 degrees, so you can feel it out there, and that's going to add that heat index value to go way up. I think it's going to surpass 100. This model kind of portraying it being a little bit lower. I think we're going towards 105 at times later on this afternoon, with the actual air temperature approaching 94. That brings to light a lot of stories that make it in the news lately, and really pretty much every time it gets hot out there. If you're leaving dogs, animals, or children in the cars, this is a little bit of a reality check for you. You're sitting there for 10 minutes, and look at this. We're going to be in the range of 90 to 95 today, and within that 10 minutes, you're already climbing to 115 in the car, right? Just going to run to the store real quick, leave the kids in the car, crack the window. Don't do it. Don't leave the kids in the car. Don't leave the dogs in the car, because then you leave it for another 30 minutes. Time gets away from you. You forget about them. 130 degrees in the car. A little bit longer than that, we get up to 140. Don't want to hear these stories keep popping up on the news that people are forgetting about kids in the cars, keeping dogs in cars. If I see a dog out there in the car in a hot parking lot, I'm going to smash that window without any hesitation, just so you know. All right, live radar out there right now looking nice and clear. Off towards the west, we do have some showers along the mountains. As they push east, they'll tend to fall apart, but the risk is there for maybe an isolated sprinkle in our western zones. Here's how it pans out on FUTURECAST today. Temperatures getting into the 90s, hot and humid, heat index value well over 100. But with that heat and humidity this afternoon, we always carry the risk of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm, best chance south side and into northeast North Carolina. We go through tomorrow, start off sunny, it'll be warm, it'll be humid, and a little bit breezy as well. Getting into the afternoon, we're in the mid-90s by that point. Cold front heads our way. It runs into this warm, humid air mass. In turn, we get a line of storms developing right along that front. Some of these have the potential of being strong to severe, and then it clears the area, and we bring in a nice Sunday. Storm Prediction Center says, hey, you know, about a Tier 1 marginal risk for the entire area to see some of those storms carry some gusty winds in excess of 55 miles an hour, and maybe some small hail. So keep that in mind, say after 5 p.m. tomorrow evening if you're doing anything outdoors or heading to the beach. 94 today, hazy, hot, and humid. An isolated shower or thunderstorm later today, and also breezy. That'll give you some relief if you're working outdoors today, kind of cool you down a bit from time to time if you catch the breeze just right. 77 tonight, muggy and warm. That isolated storm chance early. Once the sunset, that really kind of diminishes. And there's your weekend. 95 on Saturday, a scorcher again, but the relief comes with those storms and that cold front, bringing in a beautiful Sunday. 83 degrees, my pick of the week, lower humidity as well. 88 on Monday, but the heat right back in here by middle of the week, back to around 94 by Wednesday.